I can't believe my hair came out this good. If you're still trying to learn how to style your silk press, I got you. But first, these dusty, crusty braids have to come out. I've had them in for about 2 weeks and it's well overdue. I've had braids the past 3 styles and I know my hair is tired of me. You hear me? Tired. My hair needs a really deep clean and a lot of hydration, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have a full video on how I do this in depth. I will put it right above my head so you can watch that video to see like my whole shampoo routine. Next, it's time to straighten. I've already blow dried my hair. So what I'm going to do is lightly part, and I'm using my Amika humidity spray. This is a heat protectant. I put tons of heat protectant on my hair before I flat iron it. So I'm just using this as a dry one so that my hair doesn't burn. So you don't want to use any wet water-based heat protectant before flat ironing your hair because you will hear a sizzle. Okay, so you want to use something very dry or like aerosol-y. I don't know if that makes sense, but yes, my hair straightens very easily, and you see that bounce? But this is what I was talking about. Like, my hair is like ate up and very thin at the bottom, and I feel like it's because I had braids back to back. But I'm gonna cut it myself in the front because I don't know, something about a good trim just makes my hair look a lot thicker and healthier. So I'm always gonna be the person to cut my hair, but I could not see the back, so I hit up Great Clips. I think they charged me like less than $20 for this cut, and all I wanted was for it to be even all the way around, and that's what they did. I always tell people, if you need a simple trim, just hit up Great Clips. Most of the people in there know exactly what they're doing. So when it comes down to styling, I seen this video on TikTok that I wanted to recreate, and I feel like my hair is at this length now that I can actually do this style. I'm gonna take a rat tail comb and push all like the front part of my hair forward, and then I'm gonna part it, and now I'm gonna take my curling iron and I'm gonna curl my hair upwards. So because in the video the girl was doing this, I'm gonna do it. I want my curls to come out exactly like hers. So I'm just gonna roll my hair up with one of my favorite sleeping rollers. So these rollers are very special, and I've been looking for rollers like this for a very long time. I sleep in these rollers. These are actually called sleeping rollers, and they're very squishy and they are easy to sleep in versus like Velcro rollers or flexi rods. They're a lot softer, and they give you like that voluminous bouncy curl in the mornings, and I feel like the longer they sit, the better your curl and like the longer it lasts. So if you like your hair to be like perfect in the morning and you're trying to maintain your silk press, I would definitely invest in the sleeping rollers. Honestly, they don't even cost that much, and using these really helps to preserve my silk press. I can stretch my silk press for about 2 weeks and be a-okay. So yeah, I'm just following this girl's video and just curling my hair upwards and placing my curling sleeping rollers in my hair. And curling my hair upwards feels very awkward and weird because I usually curl my hair the other way and add rollers, but this way was very awkward, but obviously it turned out good. Now, because the back of my hair isn't curled at all, I want to curl that. I'm going to spray a ton of the humidity spray on the back of my hair because it's a humidity spray and it's a heat protectant. Have you ever curled your hair like this and then like kind of freaked out a little bit until you combed it because it looked real stiff? But obviously it worked out. So I'm just going to curl my hair under, and not super small sections, but small enough to where my hair can hold the heat. And if your hair doesn't hold heat well, definitely add rollers to the back as well. I just didn't need all of that. I just wanted like a little bumpity bump back there. You know what I'm saying? I can't believe I've gotten to the point where I want my hair to be bumped. Like, who am I? I'm going to use my Olaplex number 7 to give me that shine without the grease. And then I'm just going to pull these rollers out. I love that these rollers do not snag my hair like Velcro rollers do. I find that when I use Velcro rollers, my hair just gets stuck in the roller. But these come out so seamlessly, and I like that they have like holes in them to let your hair cool. But anywho, do you see my hair? Oh, it just looks so perfect and so good. And these curls lasted all day. I don't know about you, but without my edges being done, my hair just feels really incomplete. So I'm just going to add a little edge booster to my edges just to give my hair a little bit more style and finish it off a little bit. But my hair came out exactly as I envisioned, and I feel like I nailed the inspo. If you need anything like products from this video, check the description box first. I have everything there. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.